involve exponentials and also which involve logarithmic. For instance, solve the equations of 2 times 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 plus 7 times 3 to the power of x minus 3 equal to 0. When we get the word solve here, meaning that we want to find the value of unknown. Unknown in this case is x. Unknown in this case is x. So we're going to solve the equations of...
Sir, can you move the camera a little bit outward? Okay.
Okay. When word solve meaning that we want to find the value of the unknown of the variables. In this case, variables is x. So we solve that. How do we make the first one? We need to use laws of index, which is laws of exponents here. Now we concentrate for the equations of exponents first, before we go to the equations of logarithmic. Two 3 times 2x plus 1, we will write as 1. What do we make this? And the way we can write this.
Three to the power of 2x times 3.
3 to the power of 2x, then times 3. Why times 3? Why times 3?
Power of 1.
Power of 1. But why power of 1? Why you can rewrite this as this? You can write this.
You have the same base, 3.
2x and 1 plus. I remember the laws of exponents. It is not new for you. And definitely not new for you. Yes. 3 to the power of 2x plus 1, we can rewrite as 3 to the power of 2x times 3 to the power of 1. Because additions here become multiplications. You have to look back at the laws of exponents, which we did not study when we studied exponent, because assuming that you know even before. And you're supposed to know even before. Plus 7 times this one, we cannot have any. This is 3 to the power of 2x. We don't have anything. to make the calculation, so stick as 3 to the power of x minus 3 equal to 0. Then 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. Now can we write this? What can we write this, the first terms here?
6.
6. 3 power of 2x plus 7. 3 power of x minus 3 equal to 0. It's going to be like this. Next.
We can do quadratic equation.
How to make quadratic equations?
Let 3x equals to y.
Is that we have 3x there?
3 to the power of x, sorry.
Is that we have 3 to the power of x there?
Yes.
Where?
3 to the power of 2x and 3 to the power of x.
Why 3 to the power of 2x? We say 3 to the power of x.
Because we can use it to find x using the quadratic equation. Because when we let y equals to 3x, we can.
But how you get this? How you think? 3. This one is 3 to the power of x. This one?
That one will be y to the power of 2.
Y to the power of 2.
Yes.
Factor, sir, factor.
You y to the power of 2? You mean? Like this?
Yes. And then 3x will be y. So the equation will be 6y
How
squared.
to make this?
We let 3x equal to y. Can we
To get this?
do that?
Factor, sir, factor.
You forget about one step before. The first, before you change, you have to change this. Then you can change 3 to the power of x, power of 2. Understand? Correct. Yes, you're correct, but you forget to change one. Here you write x times 2 instead of 2 times x. And now you let y equal to 3 to the power of x. So yes, 6y squared plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0. And now, what do you need to find? What do you need to find?
Find y.
Find y. So how to find y?
Use quadratic equation. B squared.
Apart from that,
Factorization.
So what do you get when you factor?
X minus 1 over 3.
3x minus 1.
3y
X minus 1.
Where's
minus
the x? X? No, x now. It's
Y.
y.
3.
3y minus 1.
3y minus 1 and
3y minus 1
And
and another one
2y plus 3.
2y plus 3. Correct. So 3y minus 1 equal to 0 or 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So what do you get for the first one?
1/3.
Y equal to 1/3 or another one y equal to
-3/2.
minus 3/2. But what we want is we want x. We don't want y. So what's next?
Substitute, sir.
Substitute. Substitute with what?
The y.
Y equal to
3 power x.
Try both.
3 power x equals to 1/3.
y is 3 to the power of x. So 3 to the power of x is 1/3. We talk about the first one. So x is what?
-1.
X is
-1.
huh?
-1, sir.
How do you get x is -1?
3 bring it up. Becomes 3 power of -1.
Okay.
So we
X,
can
3 to the power of x is 3 to the power of -1.
yes.
X is -1. From right, 3 to the power of x is -3/2. X x x will be now x will be what?
Undefined, sir,
Why it is undefined?
because I use logarithm. I like logarithm method, and I divide it, but it show math error.
Why it show math error?
because I don't
X
know.
log cannot be negative.
Negative maybe.
What is the human error?
Sir, how do we find negative? Because from the graph that we tahu kan sebab dekat graph tu tak ada negatif. Tak ada negatif.
Log cannot be
No.
less than 0.
Please, because I can hear your voice. I don't know what the person's teaching. Right. Yes, why your calculator show that it's undefined? Why? Why your calculator show that undefined? Why?
Because it's negative.
Negative what?
The 2/3. 3/2 is negative. And 3 is positive. So kalau if positive being powered cannot be negative.
Like this. Listen carefully. When people ask why undefined, yes, it is undefined. Why undefined? Use the method that we put log on both sides. So log 3 to the power of x is log minus 3/2. We just put log. Using laws of logarithms, x is equal to log minus 3/2 over log 3. Log minus 3/2 is already undefined because the value must be always positive. We cannot have the value is negative. So, yes, another one, x undefined. So, the value of x here is -1. Now, to solve the equations here, this is exponential equation. And this one is we relate back to log. And we use laws of logarithms. Let's say we have different equations. And the equations that we have is we solve the equations of square root of 3 equal to 3 to the power of x square times 3 to the power of x. And 3 to the power of x square times 3 to the power of x. So when solved, we want to find the value of unknown. Unknown in this case is x. What is the value? What can we do right? Square root of 3 here.
3 to the power of 1 over 2.
Equal to 3.
X kuasa 2 tambah X.
Using laws of exponents. So we can rewrite that x squared plus x equal to 1 over 2. We bring 2 to the left-hand side. We get 2x squared plus 2x equal to 1. We bring 2 to the left side. Or 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Then we can find the values of x. By using what?
Quadratic formula.
Quadratic formula. X is
B
minus
minus B
2. B is 2. Plus minus square root of
2
2 square minus 4
2
times 2
1
times minus 1.
Oh.
Right. A, B, C divide by 2 times 2 divided by 2A. So you get x is what?
0.366.
No, in decimals. In decimal, in fraction, not in decimals. Minus 2 plus minus square root of right, divide by 2a for both, right? Square root of what? 4 plus 8. Here is 4. Right. X is minus 2 plus minus square root of 12 over 4. Any question? X is minus 2 plus minus. I will change the square root of 12 to square root of square root of what?
Three, sir.
Huh? Three times 4. So X is minus 2 plus minus square root of 3 times square root of 4 divided by 4. Using laws of exponents. X is minus 2 plus minus square root of 3, 2 over 4. So we can separate into two. One X is minus 2 plus 2 square root of 3 over 4. And then the one X is minus 2 minus 2 square root of 3 over 4. X is minus 2, 1 plus square root of 3 over 4. And the one X is minus 2, 1 minus, here is 1 minus, sorry, 1 minus, here is 1 plus. 2 square root of 3 over 4. Right. Then we can cancel 2, 1. So X is minus 1, 1 minus square root of 3 over 2. Another one, X is minus 1, 1 plus square root of 3 over 2. Right. Now, these two values for X. Any questions?
Sir,
Mhm.
I don't understand the second last.
Here.
Ah,
Okay. Before that, x is minus 2 plus 2 square root of 3 over 4. Another one, x is minus 2 minus 2 square root of 3 over 4. Now, in our numerator, they share one number minus 2. Maybe as common factor. Now, to produce minus 2 must be multiplied by 1. To produce plus 2 square root of 3 must be multiplied by minus square root of 3. You divide by 4. You know, many times we don't do anything. In our left, in our right, x is minus 2. Make as a common factor. And to produce minus 2 must be times 1. To produce minus 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 3 over 4. Right.
alright, sir. Miss that.
Then now we just cancel, right? 2, 2. So the last answer is x is minus 1 over times 1 minus square root of 3 over 2. X is minus 1, 1 plus square root of 3 over 2. Two values for x. Remember that when we use quadratic formula, definitely we're going to get two answers, two values. And remember for the quadratic, definitely we're going to have two values. That's I said when we study equations before, three ways, not three ways, three types of solutions for quadratic. Either real and same, or real and different. Real, different, like this. Or maybe real same, you can see as well, you can get as well. Or another one, no real, complex. Right. And that's for the equations for the equation which involve exponents. Let's see. equations. Four x squared divide by 2 to the power of 5x equal to 8. Again, equations for exponents. This can be written as 4x squared times 1 over 2 to the power of 5x equal to 8. Same. Same. One over 2 to the power of 5x can be written as what?
2 power negative 5x.
We can change this to 2 to the power of minus 5x. Remember that exponent, remember of index. And this one you're supposed to know before. The basic. Right. Now we look at the base here. Different base. 4, 2, 8. In order to solve the equations here, we need to make same base. So what we have to do?
4 we write as to the power of 2x 2.
4 we change to 2 to the power of 2 power of
X squared.
x squared. Here already 2. 2 to the power of minus fx. Here is 2.
To the power of 3.
2 to the power of 3. Same base now. On left hand side, because the same base, we can put 2 as a common base. Here, what is this?
2x squared
2x squared
minus
5x.
minus 5x. It's plus minus 5x. So plus minus 5x is minus 5x. Equal to 2 to the power of 3. Now, same base. So what you can say? 2x squared minus 5x equal to 3. Two x squared minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. It's quadratic now. Nah, factorizations.
Got
Nah,
x minus 3
x minus 3
to x plus 1.
to x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 3 or x equal to minus 1 over 2. Both values you can substitute. Okay, make this fine. So we can choose both of them. Right. Question. Basics of the exponents need to know. Now, from here to here. From here to here. That's why I said to you, I said in this group, when you make revision, here to here. Why? Here to here. Why? Here to here. Why? Here to here. Why? Then when you make revisions, why? Oh, I know the reason. You remove. Oh, I know. Why this? Remove. Yeah. Oh, I know. Remove. Oh, I know. Remove. Remove. Until no more why. And I do not expect that you remove all. This group, I say, I don't know which group. I can't remember. I say I do not expect you remove all of y. If you manage to remove 80% or 90% of y, it's okay. It's already okay. And if you cannot remove y, that's disaster. Like herd immunity as well, right? To achieve 80% of people get vaccine, so still okay, already okay, right? Maybe impossible to get 100%. But if 100% is much more okay. I say this. I said that I do not expect that 100%. But if you can 100%, much more okay. The not okay is not at all. Or maybe only a little, 10% move. 20%. So always you write down why. Why, and you make a revision. While you make revisions, you ready with your eraser. My eraser is small, right? Eraser. For you to remove, to rub. No more why. No more why. So that by the end of the day, you see, This question supposed to be how many y you remove? See the percentage. If you can manage to achieve at least 80% or 70% of removal of y, still okay. Still okay. But if you only manage to remove 10%, you have to do extra job. So, to remind you again that this Thursday night, Thursday 8 p.m., you will have the quiz number 2. And remember, quiz number 2, same like before, same like everything, question will come one by one, but does not matter. You only submit to me only one file for the last questions after question number 4. Also, for those persons that I call their name last time, please do not make the same mistake again. Because it is easier for me to check your job, right? Only one file. Right. So I stop the session today here. Is there any question? Try to...
No, sir.
Okay. And
No, sir.
inshallah, we'll see you back on Thursday morning. On Thursday morning, right? On Thursday morning. Okay. So I stop here with the Tasbih Kifara and Surah Al-Qas.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.